As you can see, madugo-dugo tong biyahe dahil Merville, Quezon City, Maynila. Oras ng ruta natin ay 2 hours 21 minutes. Total of kilometers 56. Ang pinagmamalaki ng Yadea, kanilang graphene battery. Mas advanced ito, premium kesa sa traditional lead acid batteries. 3 times ang lifespan nito. Aabot pa nga sa 1,000 cycles. Kaya rin ito mula 20 degrees Celsius hanggang 55 degrees Celsius. Comes with 2 years warranty. Prep time. The day before yung range test, syempre, i-charge natin siya ng full charge. Na double check, triple check na rin yan ni Chungs at ang team ko. Tire check, wirings, suspensions, just to make sure na nasa kondisyon ng unit. Early morning, 7:30 is full charge na siya, 80 volts. Starting point dito sa area namin, Makati. From odometer niya is 49 km. Tara, gala tayo sa Siyam na Yadea stores using Yadea Epoch Etch.
Man, I got nobody. I don't know about that, but you know how we do right here. Better let me say tonight, I done fucked up. Brother got me hacked up. Baby, you're a lucky that she got a lot of magic. Baby girl, it hacked up. Baby, you gon' keep it in a peanut, we don't trust. I'm a motherfucking
Down Yadea Moonwalk. Nasa south muna tayo bago tayo pupunta sa north area. Nagsimula na rin yung bad weather, hindi namin na-expect. Anyways, habang nagpapatila nga kami dito, chinek na rin natin yung mga available units nila, which is available naman to sa lahat ng stores. Narito ang kanilang C16. Nga pala, habang Christmas, syempre may discount tayo dyan. And kung walang on hand, you can pre-order naman sa kanila. Alam naman natin may batang matutuwa niyan. So, ulitin, Yadea Moonwalk. Next tayo ngayon, babalik tayo ng Baclaran.
point late, so don't know one thing about me. No, I got my boots. I'm a motherfucking baller. I won't leave with you.
Touchdown, Yadea, Baclaran. Dito nakaka-welcome yung vibes. Siguro dahil ang dami unit sa loob. Meron silang Tina, M3, M6, Rubin, syempre yung Epoch, and yung mga tri-wheels nila. At bubungad din sa inyo itong 3 times battery life with 2 years battery warranty. Once again, Sheshe, Yadea, Baclaran. Next stop. Malapit lang pero ubus oras sa traffic. Sinubukan pa rin namin ng best way na maglooban, pero not good idea. Time check, almost 1 p.m. arrive, Yadea, Pasay. Ito nga guys, ang pinakamalaking store nila, which is, this is the flagship store. What you should expect, mas maraming on-hand units and colors. Meron after-service room. Higit sa lahat, naka-aircon dito. Mga tri-wheel nila, CL8, C16, at K8E. Makikita nyo rin dito itong mga cute na to. Ang